What's up, guys? So this is got an update on the Civic. Been a little bit since I posted a video. Haven't done too much. Got the front lip installed on it. And I've painted one of the wheels. Rust-Oleum's new color. It was the red chrome. Just to test things out. Tried installing the coilovers last week, and it ended up snapping a bolt on one of the sleeves to take the front strut out. So I had to order some new ones. I got them, and then the top ball joint decided to, I guess, break. It's spinning loose. The actual bolt is spinning when I tighten up the castle nut, so I'm guessing it's done. So I gotta get some new ones, but that should be it. Maybe next video I'll be doing is a coilover, see what it looks like. Thinking maybe a 2-inch drop. We'll see how it goes though. But then I'll keep you guys updated. Till then, God bless.